Hey guys, welcome to a Discord server review. Today I am going to be reviewing my own server. I don't know why, I just feel like it. So, this server is a bot creation server, if you look right here. It's where I'm going to be creating bots for people for cheap or free. If you come to prices, you can see I will make you a free bot, or if you pay a little bit, I'll make you a paid bot. Right now we are accepting partnerships, and right now we are going to be looking for staff. Right now we don't really have too many staff. We only have me and FW Bradley, which I'm going to be doing a video on her Discord server soon. So, if you ever want to make a bot, just go in here and type _new bot creation, and you'll go up here and then you'll say, can I please have a paid or free bot. You'll put in what you want. So if you want to pay, you'll put in can I please have a paid bot? Or if you don't want to pay, you can put in do you want a free bot? So then one of our staff team will be like, okay, we will send to the owner. And then usually when we make a bot, if it's right now we're usually in EST timing, so I can usually make a bot free bot I can probably make in like 30 minutes, but paid bot may take me like an hour or two, so once that's done, you'll be like, once I sell it, I'll be like, okay, school user, that would be your username. Bot will be made shortly. Want the commands to be, or if you want to get paid, we'll be like, okay, user, pay us at, we can make the official PayPal, so PayPal link here at gmail.com, and then once they pay, we're going to say purchase successful, and then we'll be like, so what commands do you want on your bot? Go message us with me, and then we'll say, okay, this will probably take 1 to 2 hours. And we'll say, okay, and then we make it, and then we will give them the product. And then once that's done, it's exclamation point. So we'll just remove your ticket. I don't like the official removal system, I just delete it. There. It's gone. So that's how you will get a bot. The invite link will be in the description below. And the cool thing about this is we have the invite reward. So if you don't feel like paying, you can get a premium. You can get like premium for free. So bye guys.